This is Ricka Deer Hunter of Second Life, and we're going to show you today a quick, semi-quick tutorial on how to replace existing links in all of your outfit folders. As you know, when you get something updated, and if you have that item in several of your outfit folders, how painstakingly difficult and what a long process it is to replace them. There is an easy way, like a one-step solution to replace every link in every one of your outfit folders. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so this is the case of a combat meter in several of my outfits. Okay, so I go to my recent items. You open up your inventory first. Let's see, start at the beginning. Open up your inventory, you go to your recent, and here's the object I'm replacing, the ZCS meter. I'll bring it out, drop it on the ground, and there it appeared. It gave me the actual items that I'm going to, the new items, okay? And it self poofs. It's one of these new things. You don't have to, you may get something old style that you have to actually delete off the ground, but that's one of those self poofers. So anyway, so you go into your all items and you go to your outfit folder, and we'll go to one that I know I have these meters in here. Okay, so here's the old one. There's three things in the ZCS folder that I have to replace. One is the fist fighter. As you see, this is a link. Okay, so I will right click on it and say find original, and that brings you to the inventory where the original one is. Okay, it's all of the links are tied to this original, so you're going right to the root of the job. So you right click the original and replace links. Okay, so now this will find all of the links from that original in all of your outfits and everywhere in your inventory. Replace links, and you'll get this little window to pop up. So what you do now is you go back to your recent items to find the new one, and this is the fist fighter. Here's the new one. The fist fighter's right there. You take it, you select it, click it once, and then grab it again. Click down and hold your mouse button. Click and drag and drop it right over into this bar right here. See, it won't work anywhere else in the window. It's got to be right in that bar. Then you let go of your mouse button. So now it said it found 26 inventory links. Now you hit the start button and it will replace those 26 links. So it'll go in all 26 of my outfit folders and replace. So you click start and be patient. You watch the link numbers change. Links remaining 25. This does take a little while. 23, 22, 21. Here we go. It's rolling now. Almost done. And when I'm done, I have two more items for to do. But I think you get the picture. I'll walk through it with you once more. Okay, so it's finished. You can close that. And if you go in your outfits now and you look, you'll find the new updated one in every outfit. And you see it all opened up. They're all under recent now, all these outfits. So let's hide the links for now to finish the job. We'll go to another one of my outfits, and we'll do the other two things. I'm only going to keep the video rolling for one of those two things, because after you see it twice, you should have it. We'll go into one of my outfits here under all items. Right, here's all my outfits. I've got them numbered 1 through 20. And we'll go into this one and we'll look for now the meter itself. ZCS. Here it is. Okay. Right click it, find original. There it is, highlighted for you. Right click that and replace links. You'll get the window to open up. You go back to find the new thing you want to replace all those links with, which is the ZCS meter, the new one. Put it in that little window by clicking and dragging 26 links, hit start, and let it go. I have to thank Papillon for this. She's the one that showed me. Up until a couple days ago, I would get really upset every time the meter was updated. And if you deal with a ZCS meter at all, you realize they have a lot of updates, as well as the GM. They have updates too. So that's the meter. That's good. Now, for whatever reason, it still shows here that the old one is still on me. So what I'll have to do to finish the update is I'll have to go to my the update's finished, but what I have to do to get the old meter off, even though it's been replaced in the outfit folders, I'm still wearing it. So all I'll have to do at that point is get the outfit folder, right? Drag it over, drop it on my avatar, and that should take care of that. But I still have to do the HUD here, and we're going to take care of that now. You can watch, or you can watch me do it a third time, or you could just move along and finish watching the video. So, all right, outfits. Let's go down to number 20. ZCS meter. I'm looking for the HUD. There it is. Find original. There it is. Replace links. There it is. Go to the new one. ZCS HUD compact. There we go. Start. 26 links. Let me get ahead of the game here. I'll go to my inventory while it's working. You can see it's starting to work. 25, 24, 23. I'll go to my outfits and get ready to make the change. As soon as it's done, I'll put that folder on me again. 4, 4, 3, 2, finished. Okay, we'll close that out and finish. Now I only need to click and drag any one of these folders. They've all been replaced in every one of these 20 outfits. Okay, we'll show you Henry with gun. Take that folder and click it and drag it into your avatar. And here comes the new meter, the new HUD, the new fist fighter. Completely done. Painless. Much, much nicer than going into every folder and manually deleting every link and then replacing. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope, even if you didn't enjoy the video, I hope you enjoy how much time I just saved your ass. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.